What's going on, RestoMods fans? We are in the Resto garage today doing some interior work on the 69 Chevelle. Rick is here and he's currently getting the pieces from Fesler USA fitted into the car. We might do some trimming on them, getting the pieces in, seeing what we need to modify, and we'll go from there. Arjay, what do we have from Fesler here?
These are the armrests for the door panels and the door handles to open the door. So I'm gonna lay this out while we got Rick here and just go over everything that we got and make sure it's all gonna work and getting a better idea of how we're gonna set it all up.
Big shout out to Fesler USA as well. They sent us all this stuff. They hooked us up and
yeah, some nice stuff. Yeah, those are really nice.
What material are these?
These are
like billet?
CNC billet aluminum, yeah.
Okay. And then what's this material?
Looks like it's some kind of polymer, but it's really solid though. It feels nice. And then this is machined aluminum.
It'd be pretty radical to just leave the color like that. Huh?
Yeah, it's like they made them in the right colors, I guess. But yeah, so these are armrests, and I guess this is like a lot of their mounting system for that.
Okay.
And then these will be the door handles.
Okay.
And it looks like they're like a cable pull type, so it switches over to that.
So the only thing we're not sure of at this point is whether the windows are going to be electric or not.
Correct. Yeah, I think that's what we're still figuring out.
Well, I think it's got such a modern look to it that I think it would be a shame to put cranks in there.
It would. The only problem I find with the power windows, and we could probably work on it with this car, but the cars that don't have door frames, it's real hard to get them to stop in the right spot because the power window motor has so much torque that they overwhelm the stock door stops. You know, the window stops are designed for when you're cranking it, you feel a little resistance and you lay off. But we've had a couple cars that are just frameless glass, and it's real hard to align the glass.
If it's going to be a real pain in the butt, it can actually, a nice set of chrome handles in the front and back can actually offset the look of because that's going to be Alcantara. Everything that's wood is going to be plain Alcantara, which I think would look cool next to a nice set of contrast. Yeah, I think so. Otherwise, you have to make something pleating or something, because you have this big monster piece, which is going to look nice, but if it has a little something, and I think the handles would actually be a good idea. Yeah. In that case, especially if it's going to be a pain in the ass. If you say no, we do it all the time, it's not that big a deal, then I would leave it alone.
We've done it and we get it to work, but it's a lot of work to get them to fit right every time where you feel comfortable, where anyone can just roll it up and down. I mean, they do have also, we thought about, even if we did do power windows, they have the switches now that are integrated where it looks like the old crank. But you just tap it.
Like the radios.
Yeah,
like the radios,
they kind of have that.
Bluetooth,
so that's an idea too. And I've also seen, like, if these door panels get too thick, even if we do want to do the manual cranks, they sell the shaft extenders now. So that if, this door panel, our shaft doesn't protrude far enough with this door panel, we can put a little extender on there, and that'll set us up at the right height.
You don't happen to have the old door panels, do you?
Yeah,
you do? Here. Oh, okay. All right. Well, that'll tell me where the old crank is rather than having the...
Yeah, we saved everything. So, I mean, these
I'm going to take the front door panels with me.
Okay.
Oh, good.
We have the back ones.
I was going to make templates for the holes and all that, but I don't need to do that if I have the old ones. So.
Yeah, perfect.
Now, the armrests I would love to see in leather because they're going to be right next to the Alcantara.
That's probably a good idea because it's also like kind of a wear point. So leather might be a little bit better for it.
Yeah, I think so.
And the contrast.
Yeah,
the back and forth.
So all of a sudden you got all kinds of contrast going. You got the leather from here, and then you got your nice little chrome.
I like that
handles. So
guys, Rick's gonna take the body pieces here, the body panels, to his shop and get them nice and fitted with the leather and Alcantara.
Thanks for watching the video, guys. And if you're a fan of Chevelles, you gotta hit that subscribe button and check out our other videos here.